अरे हे ला 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 ला। मेरे सामने वाली खिड़की में एक चांद का टुकड़ा रहता है। मेरे सामने वाली खिड़की में एक चांद का टुकड़ा रहता है। अफसोस ये है कि वो हमसे कुछ उखड़ा उखड़ा रहता है। मेरे सामने वाली खिड़की में एक चांद का टुकड़ा रहता है।
के दीवाने आए हैं।
ता 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 रा 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 ला 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 ला।
Chingari. Bhupender Singh ji, we used to call him Bhupi ji, had played this.
Pancham's greatness was that he also could get lot of instruments. Like one instrument we have heard, that is flanger or flanging. Ramesh is an engineer, so maybe he can tell us in short what is flanging. He has also played possibly for.
A while ago, Usha ji had given you that song, Dannu Ki Aankhon Mein, and there is that guitar which is sounding very funny. It is sounding very unlike a guitar. It is a guitar, and the effect is known as flanging. Now, I can't be too technical about it because I am also from the technical side. But
Electronical engineer.
so what happens is,
Me too.
this is an accident which happened in the US. They had two copies of the same tape and they were trying to play them together. And accidentally, one of them put his hand on the other tape recorder and there was a difference in speed. And that came about as whoosh, like that.
Okay.
And that became the flanger in an electronic box later. And I think Panchamda was the first to see the potential of that sound, and that was used in that song Dhannu Ki Aankhon Mein.
Yes, and it's actually a gadget.
It's
to
just a
connect your
small
guitar
unit
and
to connect to your
लोगों को
guitar.
सुना है आपने जो बजाया.
La la la.
मेरे सामने वाली खिड़की में एक चांद का टुकड़ा रहता है. मेरे सामने वाली खिड़की में एक चांद का टुकड़ा रहता है. अफसोस ये है कि वो हमसे कुछ उखड़ा
हम हो के दीवाने